Hello, sweet friends. Welcome to Sweet Giggle Tales. Today's tale is about courage, not the big, loud kind, but the quiet, strong kind that comes from believing in yourself. Let's walk into the magical Whispering Woods and meet someone very small but very brave. Her name is Bella the Beetle. Bella the Beetle blinked her tiny eyes. She peeked out from her cozy leaf house. The forest was glowing with morning light. Today was the day of forest games, and Bella wanted to join, even though she was the smallest bug in the woods. In the clearing, all the animals gathered. There were buzzing bees, giggling frogs, and hopping crickets. The obstacle course was tall, twisty, and full of vines. Bella looked up. Her heart fluttered. Could she really do this? She zipped through the tunnel of twigs, wriggled under a mushroom log, and balanced on a blade of grass. "I can do this," she whispered, one tiny step at a time. Suddenly, Bella heard a soft cry. A baby caterpillar was stuck in the berry maze. Bigger bugs rushed by, too busy to stop, but Bella turned around. "I'll help you," she said. She crawled into the maze, pushing berries aside. She gently tugged the caterpillar free. "You're safe now," she smiled. The caterpillar hugged her tiny leg. Bella's heart felt big and warm. With the caterpillar cheering her on, Bella zipped, zoomed, and zigzagged through the last hoops. She wasn't the fastest or the biggest. She made it to the end, and everyone clapped. Fireflies danced in the air. The animals sang a song of cheer. "Bella the brave," they chanted. Even the trees seemed to sway with joy. Bella smiled, shy but proud. That night, Bella sat on a soft petal under the stars. She looked up at the glowing moon and felt something special inside. Courage, kindness, and the power of trying. Moral of the story: even the tiniest beetle can do great things. All it takes is a brave little heart. Thanks for watching Sweet Giggle Tales. We hope you laughed, imagined, and had tons of fun. Come back soon for more magical stories, sweet giggles, and happy endings. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because every giggle counts. Until next time.